Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Zarif bin Abdul Rahim. My matrix number is CRM 191002. Okay, I'm an Hafiz want to present to you about the company that we research in insurance, which is Alliance in Malaysia. So, okay, for the introduction is Alliance Malaysia Berhad is part of Alliance, which is based in Germany and was founded in 1819. The Alliance Group serve more than 100 million people or customers in about 70 countries. Alliance stepped foot in Malaysia in about 2001 and become the controlling shareholder of Alliance General Insurance Malaysia Berhad, as we call AGIM. Alliance General is one of the leading general insurance in Malaysia and has a broad spectrum of service in motor insurance, personal line, small to medium enterprise businesses, and large industry risk. So moving on to the vision. Okay, what is the vision in Alliance Malaysia Berhad? The vision is to the most reliable person, always delivering in moment of truth. So moving on to the mission. The mission in Alliance Malaysia Berhad is insurance solution from A to Z. So moving on to value, they have 5 points in value in Alliance. So number 1 is customer focus. Number 2 is integrity. Number 3 is high performance culture. And number 4 is open communication. And the last one is social responsibility. So moving on to the board of director. Okay, this is the main board of director in Alliance Malaysia Berhad, which is the Zakri bin Muhammad Khair is the CEO. Tan Sri Datuk Dr. Rafia binti Salim is the chairman of Alliance. Okay, they have 6 of non-executive director in Alliance Malaysia Berhad, which is we have Goh Chin Ying, Gerard Lim Kim Meng, Tunku Zain Al-Abidin Ibni Tuanku Mukris, Peter Ho Kok Woi, Solomon Altis, and the last one is Kaldia Salim. Okay, moving on to the board of director in life insurance. We have the chairman Goh Chin Yin. The non-executive director is Peter Ho Kok Wai. The non-executive director 2, Dr. Kanta Anak Lelaki Rasalingam. The non-executive director Lim Fei Nei. The last one in executive director is Anusha Tavaraja. Okay, the last one in board of director in general insurance, we have the chairman Tan Sri Datuk Dr. Rafiah binti Salim. The non-executive director Tunku Zain Al-Abidin Ibni Tuanku Mukris. The non-executive number 2 is Dr. Muhammad bin Abdul Khalid, and the last one executive director is Zakri bin Muhammad Khair. Okay, moving on to the types of insurance.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafizana, course code DRM 191003. Today I'll be talking about my type of insurance company. So our group chose Alliance Malaysia Berhad, or short form AMB. Alliance General is one of the leading general insurers in Malaysia and has a broad spectrum of services in motor insurance, personal lines, small to medium enterprise businesses, and a large industry risk. Alliance Life offer a comprehensive range of life and health insurance as well as investment-linked product, and is one of the best growing life insurers in Malaysia. Okay, for the next part is the services provided by the company. First is property and casualty insurance. Property insurance and casualty insurance, also known as PNC insurance, are type of coverage that help protect you and the property you own. So property insurance help cover stuff you own, like your home or your car, while casualty insurance means that the policy includes liability coverage to help protect you if you're found legally responsible for an accident that caused injuries to another person or to another person's belonging, basically. Next is health and life insurance. Is basically it's like your personal safety that your family can open so once you are not around to fulfill their needs. It is a bond between the person getting insured and the insurance company that is in the unfortunate event of the insurer's demise. The life insurance he or she paid premium for bear fruit in the terms of financial benefit to the beneficiary or nominee. Basically saying the death benefit in most cases are income tax free, so the sum as well reach the family without any substantial deduction. Next will be asset management. Asset management refer to process of developing, operating, maintaining and selling asset in a cost-effective manner. Most used in finance, the term is used in reference to individual or firm that manage assets on behalf of individual or other entities. Next is business insurance. Business insurance coverage protect businesses from losses due to the event that may occur during the normal courses of the business. There are many types of insurance for business, including coverage for property damage, legal liability, and employee-related risks. Okay, next one will be product or services provided. Firstly, is life insurance. Life insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company, essentially in exchange for your premium payment. The insurance company will pay a lump sum known as a death benefits to your beneficiaries after your death. So the main types of life insurance first is term life insurance. In addition to being the most affordable type of life insurance, term life insurance is the most popular types of life insurance, so 71% of purchases according to the insurance barometer report. Term life insurance provide coverage for a certain amount of time, and the premium payments stay the same amount for the duration of the policies. Typical choice policy length 10, 15, 20, 25 or 30 years. And the next one will be permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance provide lifelong coverage. It's more expensive than the term life because it can last for the duration of your life, usually build cash value. The cash value components accumulate on a tax deferred basis over the life of the policy. It acts as a saving portion for the policy. Basically, you can borrow against the policy cash value or make a withdrawal. If you decide to end the policy, you can get the cash value minus any surrender charges.
Okay, the second part is medical and health insurance. Okay, in Alliance, they have so many medical and health insurance that can cover people from injured, but here are the main insurance that people use a lot. We have the first is Alliance MediSave Infinite Plus, and the second one is Alliance Care Individual. First of all, in Alliance MediSave Insurance has many opportunities that have been offered in case people does know what to choose in the future. Here is the tagline in MediSave Infinite. We can predict the future, but we can prepare for it. Okay, most of the product, which is the MediSave Infinite and the Care Individual, most of the both products serve to the rider to ensure that in Alliance, protection can focus in investment linked plan. So MediSave Infinite covers your hospitalization expenses in Malaysia, while in Advantage will afford customer access to the overseas medical treatment. Okay, besides of that, MediSave Infinite can cover your cancer treatment and allow people to treat their disease to few technology in cancer treatment, then can heal up soon or later. Okay, moving on to the Alliance Care Individual. Alliance Care Individual is comprehensive medical insurance that covers your hospitalization and surgical expenses insured that to the illness. This insurance, which is the Alliance Care Individual, is important because when they have a problem within or car accidents, illness or sudden mother nature, you can always search for the best solution, which is the Alliance Care Individual. So they have some coverage, which is the medical coverage, surgical expenses, outpatient cancer treatment, and 24 hours toll free, and international medical assistance program is the optional, and the last one is domestic medical assistance program, which is two optional to the customer. Moving on to the last one in property and motor insurance. Okay, for this part of insurance, motor comprehensive insurance covers your car against liability to other parties for death or bodily injuries, damage to the other party's property, or accidental or for fire damage in your car. This is great news for the customer that can call the Alliance Road Ranger. Is a nationwide motor roadside assistance service for cars and motorcycle. Okay, for the coverage for the motor comprehensive is firstly losses or damage to your car to the accident due to accident, fire and theft, third party death or bodily injuries, and third party property loss or damage, and the last one is extended benefit. Okay, Alliance Road Ranger are complete with their facilities such as car towing, motorcycle towing, and 24 hours assistant hotline phone that can assist you in further ways. Okay, Alliance want to ensure that all riders on motorcycle 250cc and below are well protected with Alliance Malaysia Berhad Plus, and they have additional benefit that fit all customers such as addition accident cover of RM10,000 ringgit. The second one is hospital income cover 10 RM100 per day up to 60 days. All special peril that full sum insured protection such as flood, typhoid, landslide, and LTS only comprehensive party. And the last one is roadside assistance only comprehensive party. Okay, for the implication to the country, Alliance have helped a lot of people with their own service provide, as we mentioned it before. So right now is 2021. We all over the world is struggling with the new virus, which is the coronavirus, or as we can call the COVID-19. In Alliance, the Alliance have their plan to raise the spirit of people to take the vaccine and strengthen the economy back as before, to get the herd immunity in the specific country. The COVID-19 vaccine will supercharge global growth in 2021, but in short term headwind and complete recover by 2022 will create transition risk. So as we all know that Ministry of Health with that Malaysia has declared that the coronavirus will sit with us, alongside with us. Vaccine economy is about the confident restarting the service in economy, recoupling the trend in goods already back to prior crisis level. Service and tourism should follow suit by 2022. Alliance, knowing that that when they have to pull the plug will be essential and keeping on long term, scaring to the company and provide the tailwind in the recovery. Meanwhile, COVID-19 sensitive sector including accommodation, food service and transportation will outperform markedly to ensure the economic will stand for their goods on their future. One is Alliance wants the majority of sectors to return pre-crisis level of turnover and profitability only by early 2022. Last one in implication that having a clear sustainability a strategy and approach enable us to understand risk and opportunity and mobilize our global businesses to create real world impact to the economy and for the society. Alliance will strive the embedded sustainability to all people in all area for their organization in the workplace and public environment. So moving on to the last, which is the conclusion and the recommendation.
Lastly is conclusion and recommendation. So there are several issues that are faced by Alliance in Malaysia. One of the issues that are faced in Alliance is currently managing the climate change risk. Managing climate change risk is one of the biggest challenges the financial services industry is facing today, with several impact on the insurance industry. So what the insurance business need to act is as an early warning system and help businesses and society understand the new risk. There are several ways to prepare for the effect of the climate change. Providing a risk coverage for emerging technology, for example, play an important role in their future development. And then securing the insurability of the risk is essential for economies to be able to operate. We reached the end of the presentation for our group. Thank you for listening and Assalamualaikum.